Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're not subscribed to my channel yet, please make sure to hit the red button down below. It's super easy, and also hit the bell button so to make sure you'll be notified every single time that I upload a new video. Today I'll be doing a haul from Sephora, and I finally decided to get my face fully baked. I've spent a lot of money there and I've never done that before. I never bought so much makeup at once in my entire life. I was never a big fan of makeup. I was never into makeup that much. Obviously, I use the standard pack of makeup. I use this kind of makeup just to look a little bit more awake, to hide my insecurities, to hide my imperfections on my skin. But recently I've been watching a lot of makeup tutorials and I don't know, I fell in love with makeup, I suppose, because what those women do is incredible. Like, the power of makeup is enormous. So today's topic is very new to me. If you're a newbie just like me, hello, please keep on watching. I'll show you my sort of level 2 basic makeup that you're supposed to have in your collection, and hopefully it will be helpful. I decided not to talk about the very basics of the makeup that a girl should have. I'm gonna talk a little bit about extra you can have and that can take you up to another level of looks, of course, if you know how to do makeup. Unfortunately, I'm not one of those people, but I will definitely learn from YouTube, from you guys who upload this kind of videos. I'm so thankful that YouTube exists, because I wouldn't be able to deal with it by myself. Nah, not a chance. Okay, I'm gonna shut up now and just show you everything that I got. So here is the bag from Sephora. Another reason I've decided to go full on this makeup haul is because Sephora recently had 20% off, at least in Switzerland. Not sure about other countries, but Sephora is located in one of the department stores in Geneva. There is no separate Sephora store around, and this department store had 20% off everything, including makeup and Sephora. Super glad and happy. It would have been a tragedy to spend so much on makeup. It was still a lot, but I'm glad I got a discount. At least I don't feel that bad about buying so much makeup without even knowing how to use it. So yeah. Another thing, very quickly, when you buy things from Sephora, and like, the more you buy, the more gifts you get, I guess. So if you buy something like a perfume, you'll probably get a couple of testers. This time I received a lot of different products. They are also new to me. So I've decided to separate the actual products that I bought versus the products that I got as a present from Sephora. And I'll be showing you basically everything. Alright, so I have the two piles. On this side I have everything that I got, and on this side I have everything that was gifted to me by Sephora. You obviously can't see anything, but I'll be showing you everything. Again, I'm a newbie at this, so guys, if you are too, please welcome to the club. And let's start. The first product is not really a makeup product, it's just something I use on a daily basis, which is the shampoo. This one is from Bio Beauté by Nux. So this is the name. This is the shampoo I've started to use a couple of months ago, and honestly speaking, it's amazing. It is fully bio. It's incredible. I can actually go without washing my hair for 2 days, which is wow for my hair, and it's super light. The next item that I got is this product from Farsali. I've heard so many good things about it and I just couldn't miss out on this one. I know the launch was a long time ago, but again, Switzerland gets things very late. So if you had it a year ago, we've only received it a couple of months ago, maybe 2 months ago in Sephora. And this is the only place you can find it, and it's very recent. So I'm super glad we still got a chance to get this beauty product. It says skin enhancing antioxidant serum. All right, I have no idea what it means, but I will apply it as, not as a primer, but sort of as a primer to my skin before I apply the foundation. Here how it looks. This is the bottle and it looks so pretty and fancy. Let's open it. Okay. All right, so here it is. And I just want to apply it on my skin and see. Okay, so here how it looks. It doesn't look like anything really, but it feels really nice. And my skin became much smoother. And it smells amazing. It smells like cotton candy even. The smell is really nice. My skin became much softer than it used to be. I'm not sure if the camera is catching it, but this is the part where I applied the product against the other hand where I didn't apply it. You have to try it out by yourself, guys. It's amazing. And I can imagine applying a foundation on top of this. So cool. Let's move on to the next item, and I think this should be the next. It is the Sephora Flawless Face Set with 3 beauty sponges. Let's open. I used to have 1 sponge, but my fiance just threw it away because I've started using the new silicone ones, the one that don't absorb any products. I really love it, but again, it's so nice because it doesn't absorb any product like sponges do. They soak everything from your face and they give it to themselves, you know, that's not fair. So I'm using the silicone one at the moment, but the application itself is not the greatest one. I saw this cute set of pink sponges, which I absolutely adore. Then I have this one. And I have the tiniest one. It is so cute. It is really, really cute and adorable. I think this one is to apply under your eyes, like the concealer. The third product that I got was this one. This one is from Huda Beauty. Looks like this. It's called Easy Bake Loose Powder. This is something I wanted for so long because, you know, when you watch makeup tutorials and they apply this concealer and they do a lot of different things on their faces and then they apply this. They apply it under their eyes like this. So basically they're like baking their face. They apply some on the forehead, on the chin, and it looks so cool. I love it so much. Nice, this is so fancy. Okay, here is the box, and I suppose this is the instruction. Okay, so here how it looks. This is the box, and that's the powder inside. Oh, and here there is a visual of how to actually apply this thing. Thank you, Huda Beauty, for doing that. I really didn't know, so now I have an idea. Oh my god. Oh my god. It smells amazing. All right, then I want to show you this from Fenty Beauty. So what this is Matchsticks Trio. It's basically conceal, contour and highlight. This was a pack of 3 products in one. All of them are here. And these sticks are all magnetic and they just stick to each other. It's called Light 100 and it includes linen, amber and starstruck. Also guys, I will include all the products that I'm showing you now down in the description box. So if you're bored watching this, just click on the description box and check everything out. Maybe you like something, or maybe you already have some of these products. If you do, comment down below and tell me what it is and how do you freaking use it. I'd love to know. The next item is actually for these sticks to do this contouring and concealing. Yeah, so here are the brushes, the 3 of them, and they're made perfectly to do the contouring. So here how the whole set looks like. I love the silver. I needed new eyeshadows for sure. If I want to start this adventure, it's a must-have. And the palette I've decided to go for was this one from Huda Beauty. Huda Beauty is really killing it at the moment. This palette, I found it the best one. For me, it was the best in terms of colors. I've decided to go for something more safe. So here how it looks. It is so pretty. I love all of the colors. They're super shiny and shimmery. They look so pretty and I love that they have so many different colors. Now you know that I got some brushes. Here they are. Again, this set is from Sephora, just like this one right here. And it says Smoky Eye Brush Set. I thought it was definitely a must, especially since they have all the explanation with the pictures at the back. Thank you so much for adding that again. It is very helpful. Then what else might you need? Definitely mascara. I use mascara. I have one from Guerlain, but it's sort of finishing. And I saw this one right here. It's from Too Faced and it's called Better Than... Oh, there is a remark. Better Than Bird. I love their names. So cool. And this one they did as a celebration of their 20th anniversary. I already saw it in the store and it is so pretty. Look at this. Look at the color. It is so nice. They have this picture is basically how her eyelashes looked before. And this is after the 3 applications of this mascara. Let's see it inside. Oh, this looks nice. I already like it. I like the shape. And it smells like a true mascara. I feel like all of the mascaras have the same smell. It smells nice, not bad. And the last product that I really want to share with you is something I saw on one YouTuber's video. Her name is Maria Dragonova and she does this amazing vlogs. She's not afraid to go out there with a camera in her hands and just filming herself doing shopping and I don't know, going to the restaurants. It's so much fun to watch. I love her videos and in the last one she showed something that blew my mind. It was so pretty. I had to have it, you know? I have this recent Dior obsession with all this feminist looks and designs. I love every product that they have. I recently got a saddlebag from Dior. If you haven't watched that video, please make sure to watch it. I'll try to upload it right here, but I've never done that before, so maybe I'll fail badly. But anyway, I'll leave a link down in the description as well, so make sure to check it out. And this product is from Dior. It is something they did for the New Year's, I guess. It's called the holiday edition, and this one is a must-have for your holidays, or even to gift it to someone, or ask someone to give it to you as a gift. So the thing that I have is this one. This is the Dior's new holiday couture collection. It looks like this. So this is the front part that they have, and this is the back part. This was the most expensive product out of all of the products that I got. This one was 82 Swiss francs, which is insane. I checked the prices on different websites. This cost 45 pounds in Great Britain and something like $62 in the States, if I'm not mistaken. Switzerland had the highest price point for this product. I'm not surprised. I'm not even gonna question the price mark. It is what it is, and you have to deal with it. If you want to have it, just pay the price. It's called Dior Holiday Couture Collection Daring Eye Palette. They also had a bigger one, so it was a longer one that included lipsticks, and they had another one that was only lipsticks. This is so pretty. This is so pretty. Look at this case. It even has this little charm, a removable charm. Let's open it. Here are the colors inside, and it has a brush, and it looks spectacular. Now I will explain to you why I got this one instead of getting the longer version. Is because once you're done with this palette, or even before, whenever you want, you know, you can take it out from the case, and then you can use this case as a card holder or as whatever you want to use it for. So not only it's a gorgeous eyeshadow palette, but the case is so pretty and it is so functional. You can use it as whatever you want. So this was everything that I got. Not too much, but again, I had all my essentials. I just needed something a bit more to go a bit more advanced, to become more advanced at doing makeup. And now I really quickly want to show you what I got as a gift. I can't wait to start playing with all of this makeup and seeing how it will change my look, hopefully in a better way. And again, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. What was your favorite product? Are you a professional makeup artist? Do you do makeup for yourself? Are you just a beginner? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to know you a little more. You know, I want to build this community on trust and sharing things with each other. So yeah, leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you guys. Again, I'll leave all these products down in the description box, even the ones that were gifted to me by Sephora. I'll try to find them online on the Sephora website. I'll leave all the links down. Make sure to check them out, and I'll see you next time. Bye!